Welcome to NZ Old Coin News. Are you holding on to a treasure without even knowing it? Today, we're talking about the 1990 10 francs coin, a coin that some collectors value at up to $400. Stick around to find out what makes this coin so special, how to identify its worth, and whether you could be sitting on a fortune. Let's dive in. The 10 francs 1990 coin was minted in France and is part of a long-standing tradition of European coinage. The obverse features describe the imagery, like Marianne or other key details, while the reverse shows describe reverse details. Made of state material, e.g., bimetallic composition, this coin stands out for its design and historical significance. In 1990, millions of these coins were minted, but only a few stand out due to rare errors, minting anomalies, or special qualities. It's these rare coins that collectors are willing to pay hundreds of dollars for. So, why would anyone pay $400 for a single 10 francs 1990 coin? Here are the key reasons. 1. Minting errors. Coins with errors, like double strikes, off-center designs, or missing details, are extremely valuable. 2. Proof coins. Special proof versions of the 10 francs were made for collectors and are worth much more than circulation coins. 3. Condition/grading. Coins graded as MS 65 or higher by professional grading services like PCGS or NGC can fetch premium prices. 4. Rarity. Certain mint years or batches had lower production numbers, making them rarer. Collectors and investors are always on the lookout for these traits. If your coin matches any of these criteria, it could be worth a lot more than face value. Wondering how to find out if your 10 francs 1990 coin is worth $400? Follow these steps. 1. Check the date and mint mark. Look closely at the coin's date and mint mark. These are often key to its value. 2. Examine the condition. Use a magnifying glass to check for scratches, wear, or damage. A coin in mint state, MS, condition is worth the most. 3. Search for errors. Check for any unusual features, like a misaligned strike or doubling of the design. These errors can increase the value dramatically. 4. Get it graded. Send your coin to a professional grading service like PCGS or NGC. A higher grade can increase its value exponentially. 5. Compare auction sales. Search online for recent auction results for similar coins. Websites like eBay or Heritage Auctions often list coins with detailed pricing information. Let's take a look at some real-life examples. On eBay, a 10 francs 1990 coin with an error sold for $380 in an online auction. Another coin, graded MS 66, sold for $420 on a collector's marketplace. Even ungraded coins in pristine condition have fetched between $150 to $200 from the right buyers. These sales prove that there's a market for rare 1990 10 francs coins, but only if you know what to look for. If you think your coin might be valuable, here's how to sell it. 1. Get it graded. A professionally graded coin is more likely to attract serious buyers. 2. List it online. Use platforms like eBay, Etsy, or specialized coin marketplaces. 3. Attend coin shows. Meet collectors and dealers face-to-face. 4. Consult experts. Visit a coin dealer or appraiser to confirm your coin's value. 5. Be patient. Rare coins can take time to sell, so don't rush into accepting the first offer you get. The 1990 10 francs coin is a fascinating piece of history, and for some, it could be a hidden jackpot. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just stumbled upon this coin in your drawer, knowing what to look for is the key to unlocking its true value. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NZ Old Coin News. Let us know in the comments if you found a rare coin or what topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting!